Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. I'm going to show you how to configure the customer portal within Bold subscriptions. The customer portal is the page that your subscribers access to manage their subscriptions. The customer portal page is created automatically when you first add Bold subscriptions to your store. The page is titled Manage Subscriptions. You can place the Manage Subscriptions link anywhere you like, such as the storefront navigation, inside the customer account page, or anywhere else. It's important to make sure the link is in a visible location so your customers can easily find it. The steps to place the link are completed during the installation process. Customers must be logged into their store accounts before they can access the customer portal. Therefore, Shopify's customer accounts must be enabled on your store. Customer accounts can be enabled within your Shopify admin under Settings, Customer Accounts. By default, as long as subscribers have access to the customer portal, they can change the quantity of products in their subscriptions, swap a subscription product with another, update their personal information, and more. As a store owner, you may want to enable more permissions for your customers, such as allowing subscribers to cancel or pause their subscriptions, change their order frequency, or add products onto their existing subscriptions. You can control these permissions in Bold subscriptions under Settings, Customer Portal. On the settings page, you'll find the permissions that can be enabled or disabled. If the setting is disabled, your customers will not have the permission to perform that action, but as the admin, you can still make the change on your customer's behalf. To enable the settings you'd like for your customers to have permission to perform, move the toggle to the right. For my store, I'm going to allow customers to pause and resume their subscriptions, disable customers from being able to control the next order date for all of my non-fixed subscriptions, allow customers to cancel their subscriptions, disable customers from changing their order frequencies, allow customers to create an additional order, and allow customers to add products to their existing subscriptions. The setting customer can access customer portal using passwordless login works with Bold's passwordless login feature. Passwordless login allows your customers to access the customer portal without the need to create an account or password. Instead, customers receive a one-time access link via email. You can read more about this feature on our Help Center. The next setting allows you to replace the storefront account login with Bold's passwordless login page. It's important to note that with this option, your customers will have access to their subscriptions in the customer portal, but they won't have access to their full Shopify customer account. This option is best for stores that sell subscriptions exclusively. The last section shows you the admin customer portal link. This field contains the URL to your customer portal page as it was created upon install. By default, the customer portal page is titled Manage Subscriptions. If you change the title of your customer portal page in Shopify, you must update the link here as well. For more information about these settings and more, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.